Hello guys, it's Partho. It's my first voice tutorial, so forgive me for the mistakes. Today I am going to show you to fix the problem, which is my the front sound jacks of the front sound jacks, the green and the red one, is not working for my computer. It it is a very common problem for all computers. You just have to do is download Realtek audio manager audio driver for your Windows XP, Windows 7 and etc. From the link below in description. And after installing it, restart your computer and then click on the icon, or find the icon here. Click on the icon, right click on the icon and click open sound manager, and just click on the connector settings or the yellow folder. After that, just check the disable front panel detection and press OK, and again restart your computer. After that, your computer will be your all jacks will be totally upgraded. You can see I also have that problem and before, but now I have connected to my headphones via front panel and my speaker via the analog back panel. Thank you guys for watching. Forgive me for the mistakes. Thank you. Peace.